In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display resolution on your Windows computer. This process is the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11 users. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Let's get into it. Now to start, you'll need to access your display settings. There are two ways you can achieve this. So the first method is to use the Set menu and locate the settings. And from settings, you'll get the displays under systems. So you can click on it to get to display. Alternatively, you can right click on an empty space. And from here, choose the display settings. As you can see, we are on our display page. To find the resolution, scroll down until you get to display resolution. And here it is. You can go ahead and change it when you click on it. So there are various options you can choose from on the list. Go ahead and choose the one you are comfortable with depending on your monitor. For my case, I'll stick with 1440 by 900 because it is the recommended one. After you have selected the display that you want, click outside and you will see the changes. Let me know if this tutorial was helpful and kindly consider liking this video and also subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.